Okay, student, keep open the question paper of the Sunday 31st May. The paper was 30 marks and this is the second paper that you have performed well, but the sum of student I noted in the solutions was inefficient. I mean to say inefficient means the solution was not complete. Just you may see that the some solutions which made here, this I can show here right now, just like that. I will just tell you later, then we could see the some solutions are which not very well, but I am telling this, okay, but you are performing well because this is the second test that you have appreciated. Also I have checked your photo WhatsApp copy. Are there the first questions? So just we are proceeding our study toward the solving manner of the questions. Okay, so see guys, the question number first, what was there? Are there two irrational numbers whose sum and product both rational? Are there two irrational numbers whose sum and product both rational? Means you have to think such two numbers which are irrational. Can you add them to obtain a rational here? As we know just that rational numbers together give you, okay, solution first. We are just solving section mathematics, maths also. Is that clear? So two rational number, okay, so you just have to write since two rational number is irrational number. Irrational number, two rational numbers are, what are two rational numbers? Root 2 and root 3. But listen guys, these are the different types of rational number. If I will add them, is that clear? So the rational will not come here, it will not come into rational number. Is that clear? It will not come into rational number. So it's asking here that are there two irrational numbers whose sum and product is again rational? So we can understand here this. Yes, such two rational numbers are there, means root 2 into root 2, just will take here root 2 root 2. Two different type of rational numbers are not possible here then, I think. Right now just like that, one rational number is this, the other rational number is this. Their sum, what will come? Their sum will come 0. Their sum will come 0. If we'll multiply them together, then what we will obtain? We'll obtain here root 2 into root 2 minus 2 will come here. This two rational numbers are 2 and what here then? Listen again, two rational numbers. It's not asking here that two different rational numbers are there. Is that clear? One irrational numbers are here, root 2, and the second is minus root 2. Is that clear? So therefore their sum is, so 2 plus minus root 2, what it shall be? Root 2 minus root 2, it will give you 0. Is that clear? Or also here root 2 into minus root 2, together it will give you what? Root 2 into I think directly will come here this root 2 into 2, what will? Yeah, 2 will come here this. This is rational and this is rational here. So what we can speak here is, yeah, two rational numbers. The questioner is asking, it means not that the two different number is asking here. If the questioner is saying different numbers, so obviously root 2 and minus root 2 can be different number here, because one of them is positive and the other is negative. Is that clear? So if you have not done this question, please solve this, and this is the manner of solving that question. Now see the second question. What the second question was saying this, and the justification is written here. This justify means what is to be done here. This justify, it means that you have to give the solutions as examples carrying. Okay. Second question, simplify. So everybody has done this question. I'm not telling even right now. I have checked your WhatsApp copy. You have done well, and even you answered very correctly. Is that clear? And sufficiently you have appreciated this question. Clear? Now see the question number third. Express 0.123 bar in the form of P by Q. Is that in the form of P by Q? So some student, I have checked their copies of solving this type questions. Right now I found just there are slightly some missing information is there also. Right now just you can understand here this like that some students have solved the questions in what step. I am just writing here that what steps they have written. They have written since x is equal to what they have written 0.123 bar. Is that clear? In first step they wrote, and later they have written 10x. Is that clear? 10x. Why they have written 10x? Actually, they just call the method here. There are two types numbers are here. One is repeating root 3, and two digits are non-repeating here. Is that clear? So just they have multiplied here 1.23 bar. Okay, just they have well here, but in this step, what is to be done later here? I think this is the drawbacks of the online classes, but I am just telling again this question. Is that clear? This is the question number 3rd I am telling you, right guys? Have a look this. So what the manner here that is to be done here, this I am telling this simply we have to find out here. Just look here that let we suppose here this is a rational number x, the rational number we have supposed, okay, and 0. What number is given here? 123 bar is there. Okay, so you may see this is a repeating type and these two are non-repeating type here. Okay, and this is your decimal point. So this decimal point, where is to be this decimal point? This decimal point is to be shifted here first. Okay, so that the decimal point left side one type numbers are, the right side one type numbers to be there. Is that clear? So what shall we write here this? So for shifting this decimal point, right to the two digits 1 2, right to the 1 2, then how many places or digits the number has to be the decimal point is to be displaced? Two decimal places to be separated right now. So two decimal place we want to make the separations, or we want to displace the decimal point, and what you will do? Two decimal place, one decimal place and the other decimal place. So for the two decimal place, this is to be multiplied by 100. We want to displace the decimal point up to one digit, so it's will multiply by 10. We want to displace by 3 digit, so I will multiply it by 1000. Is that clear? Remember you next time, right now. So what you will do here, this multiply, okay, this multiply this by what we can speak here, yeah, 100. We will multiply this by 100. Is that clear guys? We'll understand this. So what shall it be? 10x is equal to, and it's 12.3 bar. Just we have multiplied here, we have multiplied it by 100. So it shall be what? 100x. Now next step is to be done here, this it's a 100x, and what next is it's can be written as a 12.3 bar. I have written this is a mixed type of number right now. So you just call the method here. If a number just like 3 bar, one digit is repeating, the same is to be written here, 1 time 9 is repeating. Suppose that 0.34 bar, 34 bar, the bar is over 3 and 4, both the digits. Is that clear? Two digits 3 and 4 are carrying bar, right? So we will speak here 34 divided by 99. As the two digits are repeated, so twice 9 are written here, this. Is that clear? As 3 digits repeats, then thrice 9 to be taken here. Is that clear? 3 times 9 to be taken as the denominator. So same here, this we can employ directly 3 divided by 9. Is that clear? That 3 is being repeated and 9 is the number of times the digit repeating, right? Further you can cancel it, 1 and 3. So it shall be 12 divided by 1 by 3. Now what shall we do? The process of LCM taking, everybody know here how to take this. 12 3s are what? 36 by 3, and further is to be taken here, this what will it is? 37 divided by 3, and there is coming 10x, 100x. Clear? So we have to find out here x. So as cross multiplication, right, 37 by 300. This is your answer. If further also is to be calculated, to be solved the questionnaire, then you can proceed it ahead. Otherwise, let it remain as it is, as the answer. Is that clear? Everybody understood here? So I just checked your copy. Sometimes some people brought the answer 120 by 990. So how 990 is coming here? This there is one mistake in here. This actually you took this concept as the 23 is the repeated concept here. You tried well here. I checked, but remember you just have to see very carefully how many digits are being repeated. You may see just on your question paper. You may see this How many digits are repeating? The 3 bar is over only 3, not over the 2. Clear? Right, guys? Okay. Now, next question. What the next question is? Fourth question. I just have seen the fourth question also you have checked. Where the fourth question? Yeah. This is the fourth question you have done. You have tried well, but I will tell you this. What is the method of solving question? 5 whole 8 to the power 1 by 3. The questionnaire is solution number 4. Okay. And the question is what? What the question? The question is 8 to the power 1 by 3, 27 to the power 1 by 3. 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 as a whole, and multiply by this. This is multiplied by 5 and whole to the power 3. This is multiplied by 3 and whole to the power 3, and furthermore is to be taken. And what is the whole power here? The whole power is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Is that clear? It's 1/4. These are called the indices complex. It means the indices rule has to be used here, but complex is why? Because the many terms together are fused in each other together. So, due to the fusions, the main thing is to where we are to start to solve them. Okay. So, some of you have done the questions well, tried, but in the intermediate situation they left the solutions and they just not could proceed the questions completely, couldn't, right. So, look at this. What is the method of solving? You may see the question on the screen. Clear? So, if you will see this, this is the one parenthesis from here to here bracket, and this is another bracket is also there. The power is also there, right. So, what is the main basic things to start here this? So, I am telling you the solutions must begin from here, instead of from here, means these terms to be solved first. Is that clear? And how do we solve this term here? It is very simple method to solve. Clear? It is 5 times, do not solve this. Okay. And here what shall be? Its 8 is here. Its fractional power is 1 by 3. I just told you this, something else. Its fractional power is what here? Its fractional power is 1 by n. So, we ever try to bring the x as a power n, so that n could be cancelled here. Is that clear? This is called the fractional power. Will remember please all. Clear? So, here this 8 can be factorized at, how can we factorize it? Yes, 8 can be factorized 2, 4 times goes 2, 2 again here 1. How many times 2's are occurring? 3 times. And what is its indices here? 3 is there also. This is called fractional power. Just you can also understand the question is written like that. This is, and this is also written like that. Is that clear? This is the manner of that the question actually has been written. So, we can write here 2 to the power 3 and whole to the power 3 also. This is the power 1 by 3. This is to be multiplied here. And 27, how do we solve the 27? 27 same to be done here. 27 goes by 3, gone by 3, and it's what come here? 9, again this by 3, and 3 comes again this by 3. These are the prime factors. So, again 3 occurring 3 times, it's 1 by 3 also the power here. Is that clear, guys? Everybody understood you? This is the method of solving the question. Now, next please. Further whole power 3 and to the power 1 by 4. Clear? Now, next is what? So, this cancels here, this cancels here. What's coming here? This 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1, and 3 whole is there also, 5 whole, and now the square bracket is to be solved at last. Clear? Now, next is what is their sum? Their sum may come what? 5 will come here this. Okay, wait a minute please. So, it's 5 and this 5 is also coming here, and its power is what? 3. Do not be excited so much that for writing the 5 years. 5 3 time will give you how much? So, obviously, it's 5 1 time or it's 5 3 time. There the bracket is the multiplication between them. Is that clear? Multiplication between them. So, what is to be done here? This please tell. 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 1. How many power will be there? 5 to the power 4. And what is whole power outside there? 4. And obviously, you just have seen here this L to the power m whole to the power 1 by m. So, it shall be what? 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. So, 4 4 what? Cancels is equal to 5. Only the answer this is. Have you brought the answer here? The answer is coming yours 5. Well understood you? Now, what you have to learn, from the solutions, you just have to see the solution very carefully, and that what steps you had not taken right now, and what the new steps and what the decision I am taking here, and what the confusion in the steps here. If there is any confusions and the operation new type operations I employed here, then you can just ask on my WhatsApp number. Is that clear? Also you can ask if you are local peoples and residing nearby my institution, so you can just come to the office for a few minutes, for 10 to 15 minutes, and may ask what the problem is there if you are not getting properly the instructions in online classes right now. So you may just come to the office for 10 to 15 minutes. Is that clear? I just explained here right now. So what the next is saying here, this you may see. Well understood you? The fourth questions, again the question number 5th, you may see A is given here, A is given, that is what A is given 1/4. Also I have checked the 7th question, so you have done, I think, right now. Question 5th I am telling you. What is the 5th question? If A is 5 plus 2 root 6, you have been given A is 5 plus 2 root 6. A is solution number 5th. Since what is A? 5 plus 6 root 3. This is A. Just you may say this is the value given here, this. Okay. 5 plus 2 root 6, sorry. 5 plus 2 root 6. 2 root, okay, 2 root 6, and B is equal to 1 by A, and B is equal to 1 by A. Keep open your paper, okay, and what you have information, B is equal to 1 by A. So what is to find? We have to find, what to find? A square plus B square. And an average student thinks that we are to find out simple instructions he can understand from the given in the question. A square B square is to be found out, and has been given A B. Is that clear? So obviously B is what? 1 by A. The B value of B has not been given here, but the B is the relation of B with A has been given. So what we can write here? So since what is A here? A is 5 plus 2 root 3, just you can understand here. Therefore, what is B? B is 1 by A. So what is the value of A? You just can write down here 1 by A what? 5 plus 2 root 3. So an average student thinks that this is the value of B and this is the value of A. So what is the difficulty in that? Directly the value is to be plotted here, this. In place of A square and B square, we have to put the values of A and B. What the difficulty here with that? Just the difficulty is that if you will, therefore, A square plus B square you will start finding, what will be the difficulty here? I am telling you 5 plus 2 root 3, here you will do square, there will be no difficulty, simply is to be expanded, okay. But the difficulty will be here 5 plus 2 root 3, you may see just this is that here. The difficulty will occur due to this term means what? This whole term 5 plus 2 root 3, as the 5 plus 2 root 3 is occurring to the denominator. This is the problem with that, okay, because the irrational is an odd situation in mathematics, and this irrationality is occurring as the denominator. The rational p by q is already a complex expression in mathematics, so it's quite difficult expression rather than the addition multiplication, okay. But here the addition 1 by, the denominator is occurring as the denominator is the irrational. So irrationality is complex, irrationality is difficult thing, and the irrationality is occurring at the denominator is more difficult than that. So first our duty is to solve the irrationality of the denominator, and on the last uncertainty period you would have seen that the irrationality is to be eliminated, irrationality is to be solved. For the denominator we have seen, just like we called the topic rationalize the denominator, okay. So it's not necessary to tell you that the irrationality rationalize the denominator and this is the way of solving the question. This will not be give the as hint, right. you have to think forever. If the irrationality occurring as the denominators, immediately then and there you have to solve the irrationality. You have to rationalize the situation. So, first your task is to rationalize the situation. So, directly will not employ the value here. Is that clear, guys? Will not put the value here. Everybody will remember here, will not put the value. Is that clear? So, what is to be done here first? First we will solve this. Okay. So, listen here, guys, what we are solving this. Have a look this again. So, since b is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 root 3. So, the irrationality is with the denominator. So, you will write here rationalizing the what? Denominator. So, what is to be done here for rationalizing the denominator? 1 by 5 plus 2 root 3 is to be multiplied by 5 minus 2 root 3 divided by 5 minus 2 root 3. Clear? So, you may see what type of pattern are occurring in mathematics. It is pattern a plus b and next pattern a minus b. You may see this. Clear? So, what is to be done? It is a 5 minus 2 root 3 a plus b, a minus b. It is a square minus b square. Clear or not? Now, next is to be done. I already explained you the concept. In mathematics, simply the pattern has to be observed. 5 square 25 and this is its square means what? 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12. What's coming then? It's coming 5 minus 2 root 3 divided by what? It's 13 is coming. So, this also can be written as 5 by 13 minus 2 root 3 by 13 is there. Okay. This is called rational part or this is called irrational part. You may say irrational part this is. Clear? So, we have solved the value b here. Everybody understood you? Again I am telling you 2 2s are 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is there. You just may see root 3, root 6, what are happening here is? Sorry guys, root 6 or root 3? Some wrong questions we have interpreted here. I think that here 2 root 3, where is that? Yes, sorry, 2 root 6 is there. Okay, it's a mistake in here in the question noting. Okay, this is what? 6 is there. Okay, it's a 6. Okay, and again it's also here 6, here also there, here also there. Okay, like this 6 and here is also 6. So, the answer will be changed here. Yeah, this is also, this is also, this also. Clear? Is there any more? No. So, it's a 6, it's a 6, it's a 6, it's a 6 and 6. What is coming here then? 6. So, here will also 6. The next will be what? The next will be, I think 2. So, here the answer will different. What answer will come here? 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24. And what the denominator will occur? The denominator will come 1. So, this is not to come here. Okay? This is not to come here. Now, look please, the answer yours is 5 minus 2 root 6 is not 3, this is. Okay? Yeah. So, 5 minus 2 root 6 is coming. This is the value of b is coming. Okay? So, b, this is the irrationality however, but it is as a numerator, not as a denominator. Okay? So, the value of a, b you have done well. Now, put the value, it is a square plus b square is equal to, what is the value of a? The value of a 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay? And what is the value of b? The value of b is this we have solved, 5 minus 2 root 6. Is that clear? Now, simple method that is to solve your question. Okay? The simple method is what? Expand it, 5 whole square plus 2 times 5 into 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6 whole square is there, plus again 5 whole square minus 2 times a and b plus what is the next here? Roots, next is what? 2 root 6, sorry, 2 root 6, it's a 2 root 6. So, 2 root 6 whole square. Clear? Now, next is to be done. 5 5s are 25, and here is what 2 5s are 10 2s are 20 root 6, and here is what 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 4 6 are 24, there 25, and there is 2 5s are 10 2s are 20 root 6, and plus there 24. Is that clear? Here this is not coming. Here this clear. What next is then? 25 sorry, is a rational part, is rational part, is rational part, is rational. So all what is the sum of all? 25 what? 50, and 24 48, 50 and 48 how much is? 98. And what next is this terms cancels here because they are anti sign expressions are here, plus 20 and minus 20. Okay, so your ultimate answer is what? Your ultimate answer is this 98. Is that right? This is the method. So what actually the task here you made? The task you have done here is what? Rationalization. The rationalizing factor. The rationalization you actually have performed here. Clear right now? See the next. What the next question is? The next question is sixth question. Find a value of a in the following. A different type task is there. Find a value of a in the following. In the following means this is given here. 6 by 3 root 2, 2 root 3. 6 by 3 root 2 and 2 root 3. This is that here. And the solution number, what the solution number? 6 or 5th? So solution number 6. Okay, 3 root 2 a root 3 is equal to 3 root 2 minus a root 3. First you have to understand here to find a value. To find a. What is the meaning of to find a here? Exactly, you may see this is this is looking like a pattern. You see here, look please. If you will see here to the right side, this is an irrational number, and here is occurring 3 root 2 and a minus a root 3. And to the left side, if you will see, however, this is irrationality, but the irrationality is with the denominator, and here to the right side, the irrationality with the numerator. So we are to find out the value of a. So how can we solve a? You just may see this is what equal sign is there, and this is equal sign. Is that if there is equal sign, this is, we simply can understand here. If there is equal sign, then if there equal sign is occurring here, then how can we, equal sign means this equal sign, it means that whatever the left side is occurring, the same thing is the right side. So simply we can compare this, simply we can first, actually left is the right here, the equal means the this equal to that here. Is that clear, guys? So first we have to simplify the situation the left side. Okay, so what the situation left side is occurring here, you may see the left side situation is here 6 by what, 6 by, please tell me. Yeah, right, saying 6 by, what is that? The left hand side first is to be solved here. Left hand side 6 by what? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So what the problem with this expression? Irrationality with the denominator. So we have to rationalize it. Again, same task is there. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Okay. Do rationalize please. 6 divided by this 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 multiply by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Clear? And 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Just you may see it's this or it's this. Clear? Now what is to be carried here further? You may see it's a plus b or it's a minus b type pattern is occurring. I said many times, whenever you are solving any mathematical problem, not only mathematical problem, in any problem of any aspect, even even in practical life. Just you have to think about the problem, just you have to see the pattern, the situation, what exactly is to be. Observation is very important here. Okay. So, what the pattern is, what type of pattern is there? A plus b, a minus b. So, 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square, and there 6 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Generally, the problem solver tells the student that this is to be introduced inside that, but I never suggest you first. Okay. It may be that the 6 could cancel here from the others by the others. So, do not introduce it in the parenthesis. Okay. First, you need to always solve the denominator. Okay. 3 3s are 9, 9 2 root 2 root 2, here same that is the square will launch over 3 and over 2 also root 2. Okay. So, what shall be it is? It is 18 and this 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. Just you may see why I did not said you to cancel 6. Okay. You just will see here today, it is this here right now 6 divided. What is the difference? 6 is coming, you may see this. So, if you would have introduced it, then how you can bring, how can you bring this again here? So, it is very easily appearing as 6 cancel. What is coming? It is 3 times root 2 plus 2 times root 3. This is a rational part is coming in number. Okay. This all is the solution of this expression. Okay. And this expression is equal to, you may see this. Is that clear or not? And this equal to this, you may see this. Understand or not? Right now, what I am talking about, this is an expression here, you may see just. Okay. This is the expression. This is okay, but so you will write here, but this is equal to this. Okay. So, in place of this, what can you write? You can write this we can write. You understand this? This is that. Okay. Why? Because this is the solution, this is, you may see. So, this is the equal sign, it means left is the right here, clear? So, we can understand here this. This is the irrationality of root 2, this is the rationality of root 3, clear? So, irrationality of root 2, irrationality of root 2, the same thing is there, and rationality of root 3 and rationality of root 3, you may see. Just we will speak here comparing the rationality. Comparing the what? Irrationality. Comparing the rationality. We need to compare the rationality. How can we compare the rationality? Very simple it is. 3 root 2 plus, no sorry, equals to, what is that? 3 root 2 here. So, obviously, a cannot be found here this, right now. So, what is that here? It is a 2 root 3 is equal to minus a root 3. Clear? Comparing this. Root 3 cancels. What leave here this? 2 is equal to minus a, implies that a is equal to minus 2. This is your answer. You got this or not? A simple method to solve this questionnaire. Is that clear or not, guys? Right now? Now, see the next question. Again, I want to tell you this. What you have done here, you have rationalized the situation. Find a value of this. This is quite complex questions, and I have seen that you have not done this question. Okay. So, what is that? 4 by 216 whole to the power 2 by 3. 4 by 216 whole to the power. What the next is? And just you can keep open this. I think it is. I am just doing for you. So, if you will keep open the study model test paper, the paper that I gave is sent you a PDF file, then I will not just show you again and again. Okay, okay, have you opened this? Okay, so I'm just telling you this. What is that? Question number 7. This was value 3 mark. It is okay. Please look. Solution number 7. What is this? 4 divided by 216 whole to the power minus 2 by 3, and 1 divided by what? 256 whole to the power minus 3 by 4, plus what next is 2 by what is that? 243, and the next is whole to the power, what is that? Yeah, minus 1 by 5. This is to resolve simply a complex situations, difficult situation, odd situation, mathematical, composite situations is occurring. You have to simplify the situation. Actually, teaching mathematics, the student, the aspect of the extract of this situation is actually make the student able to practicalize and initialize or simplify the situation of practical life. So, and why you have to think so at instant? This is the actually inhibition, developing the habit in the student. Is that clear? So, I will just say you to in this what you have to take the decision. Okay, obviously 4 as it is the numerator and very simple appearing the 4. So, not need to simplify the situation of numerator. Denominator you just have to go here. You may see its power is minus 2 by 3. Your problem is the power, denominator power, this called fractional power. So, you just know here this fractional power is actually this is that here. Okay. So, this fractional power is to be solved when it has the factor have the grouping of 3. Okay. So, your first task is to factorize 16, factorize 256 and factorize 243. Clear? So, how to be done this? Simple it is. 216, 2 goes how many times? 1 is, 0 is, 8 is. 2 how many is there? 5 is and 4 is. How many is there? Please tell me. 27. Again 3 times it will go here. 9. Again 3 and this again 3 and it's a 1. So, these are the prime factors here you may see. Okay. So, the grouping of 3 is to be made here. So, first grouping and this is second grouping. Clear? So, you may write down this 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3, and what next is minus 2 by 3 plus again 1 by 200, same 256 with this is to be done here this. Okay. So, please this is a rough one, you just can do in your answer sheet. Okay. Now, 256, 1 is, 2 is and what 8 is, again 6 time and 4 time, again 2 and 32. Just you have to know, if you know the factorization already, then it is not to play a formality. Okay. 32 carrying 5 time 2, okay, 3 time already occurring here. So, what we can write down here? So, we can write down 2 to the power 3 and what next is, and here is also 2 to the power 3. So, how many time 2's are here? 6 time. What's how many time left here? 2 times left here. So, 2 to the power 2 is there also. Now, look here minus 3 by 4. Listen guys, it is not the 3 times to be made here. Total 3 time and 5 time. How many time is there? 8 time. We have to make grouping of 3 not. Why we are making the grouping of 3 here? Because the power of 3 is occurring here, but here the power 4 is occurring here. Okay. So, we have to make the grouping of 4. So, yes, this is look here, this is a power of grouping of 4 it is to be taken in this. So, it is a 4, it is a 4 and minus 3 by 4, and further also there 2 by what next is again how many times? 7. 7 1 7 3 is 21. What's left here? Will go? No, I think it will go by 3. So, what will it is? Please tell me. 3 8s are 1 is again 3, 27 again 3, right or not? 9. Clear? 9 है, how many times 3? 2 times. So how many together are there? 3 times, and 2 times, 5 times will be there. So 2 to the power 5 and whole to the power minus 1 by 5. Just you know here, why I made the grouping of 4 4? Because power 4 made the group of 3 3, power 3, fractional power denominator 3, and it's also the same thing as there. So the concept of the solving sets is what? The number which are having power equal to its indices or its fractional power denominator, then it get free from its clear power. So letter 4 divided by, what is that? It's free, 2 into 3 to the power minus 2, okay, and plus next 2 to the power, this free, 2 into 2 whole to the power minus 3 only, and 2 divided by, what is that? 2 to the power minus 1 only. Now the power is negative, so here 4 divided by 2 3s are 6 to the power minus 2, 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 1. Now I just want to tell you the law of indices, minus a, this is the, if it is written as 1 by x, so power become positive, right? So this can be written as 4, and the expression will come as a numerator, so 6 to the power 2, this will come as a numerator 4 to the power 3, this will come as a numerator 2 into 2 to the power 2. So further is what? 4 into 36 plus 4 to the power 3 means what? 4 4 16, 4 is 64, and 2 2s are 4. What is their sum? Tell please. 36 4s are 72, 148, 148? No, 144. 144 it is, okay. 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 3 are 12, okay. Next, what is their sum? 68. Can you add them or not? Yes, 8 2s are 8, and 4 6 11, and this 2 1212. This is your answer. Is that clear? This is the basic thing. You just have to see the screen very carefully, and all the step what I have employed here. However, I went on solving and explaining the rough work. Is that clear? Right now, see the screen for 1 minute only. You will understand this what I have done here. Yeah, seen here this, very good, that's right here. So I have solved all the questions of your 7 questions of your math sections. Now the science section is to be done in this. What is the science section? Science section you have performed well. Science section. The first question was there, what is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius, okay. I am telling the method of writing answer, okay. Question number first in science section. What is the physical state of water at 200? So you have to write 200, the method of writing physical state 256. So 256, water is at, water is what? Water is in vapor. So in vapor, the preposition vapor will come here, okay. Water as vapor. Vapor also you can write here is asking, actually the purpose is gas, clear, the purpose is gas. And what the second is there, the second question, the second the bullet of that 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius, the water is what? Obviously 100 is a vapor, just it's a vapor means 100 degrees Celsius, water starts, so we can see liquid state it will found here this, okay. So you will write here liquid state, the water is at liquid state, clear. Just try converts into the vapor, clear. Now second, answer number 2, what is it saying here? Answer number 2, why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? You see the paper. The paper is this before you. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Why is ice, not only ice, 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? Very interesting question it is. But I think I did not explain the topic here, the concept of the latent heat here. Clear? Sometimes some material, obviously, if you have, however, not being taught you to, but you can think, and any substance, I am telling you basic concept of the cooling and heating. If any substance loses much heat, is that, then it will become more cool. If any substance will gain more heat, then it will become less, more hot, right? Very speedily it will rise temperature here. Suppose that, have you seen sand? Just you would have seen sand as when you just in the beach, on the beach side in the at the noon time, you could not walk on the ground of the beach at the noon time, because this is very hot, the sand is very hot. Why? At the same time the ground is not hot. The pebbles ground is not hot, the soil ground is not hot, but the sand ground is hot. Why? Obviously, sand takes the heat very fastly, rapidly. We can speak here, sand is a material that rises its temperature very fastly. Clear? So, this fast rising temperature, very immediate, means when a small heat is absorbed and the temperature rises high, this property of material is said to be specific heat concept here. Clear? So, what we can understand here, and the latent heat is also there. I need to explain here the latent heat. I am telling you what do you understand by the latent heat. What is latent heat? The topic latent heat. Okay, however, I gave you this question, but latent heat. Latent heat. What is called latent heat? Latent means change of phase. Change of phase. Clear? Change of phase. Change of phase. Okay. And heat, obviously, what is called heat? Means due to heat it is. So, very simple it is. Solid, if you will give heat to the solid, then solid will convert into liquid. Clear or not? So, how this process takes place here? Immediately this happens here? Immediately this starts? Obviously no. I am just telling you, if you will take here a beaker, okay, and in this beaker is being placed here over a tripod stand. Simply can understand here. This is a tripod stand, okay, and just put here this a burner you have taken here this. Okay, and this is, yeah, it's giving heat to that. You have facility in that. So, what would happen here this? Suppose that any material you have taken here, ice cube you have taken here this. Many ice cube you have taken that. Okay. So, these ice cube, what will happen here? When heat giving starts here, immediately it convert into liquid? No, its answer is no. It does not start immediately starts converting into the liquid. First it takes heat, then it will. So, solid turns into liquid. First solid rises its temperature. Sometimes some solid takes heat, more heat, but they not coming in this liquid state. Why? We can speak, we can just speak here, they are taking so much heat. So, this is compared as 1 unit mass, 1 kg in SI system. How much heat 1 kg substance takes? So, we can calculate for more than 1 kg. Is that clear? So, we speak here this latent heat of fusion. This is called latent heat of fusion. So, latent heat is of 2 types. First is latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. Latent heat first is fusion, and the second is vaporization. What do you understand by latent heat of fusion? Fusion is what here? Latent heat of fusion means melting. If you give heat to the ice, okay, you will understand this concept. What happens here? This is a thermometer, okay, it's thermometer, okay. When you start giving heat, the temperature start rising, but still water, ice does not convert into liquid. Such a situation reaches when it starts converting. It means that at this temperature, at this heat capacity, a heat holding state, it start converting into the other states. This is called fusion. So fusion takes place while liquid converts solid to liquid, and vaporization, liquid to vapor, So what to understand by latent heat of fusions? So heat required, very simple it is, heat required to convert unit mass, 1 kg mass or unit mass of a solid into liquid is called latent heat of what? Fusion. And second, latent heat of vaporization, same, solid into liquid, you will write here liquid into vapor, or next what you will write here, and here you will write required to convert 1 kg mass of liquid into vapor. This is called latent heat of vaporization. So you just would have seen an experiment. What experiment here? When you start heating water, so water, you give heat water, more heat, the temperature rises up to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When water temperature becomes 100, the water start converting into the vapor. And you may say, when you touch the boiling water, it less burning sense gives you. But when the steam comes in contact with it, you get just more severe burning than this. Why this happens? We can speak here up to the 100 degree Celsius temperature, the heat is being utilized in rising temperature, but more than 100, the heat is not being utilized. Heat is being utilized in rising the kinetic energy of the material. So we can understand here, the steam have the more heat than the boiling water. So it gives you more severe burning than the boiling water. Is that it? This is the concept of latent heat. You got this or not? Okay, understood? So what the question paper was saying here, so look at this, why is ice at 273 more effective in cooling than water? So exactly you can speak here, cooling than water at the same time. You can speak here this, it takes more heat, 273 means ice take more heat than the water. So it just fall the temperature, it belows the temperature, make below the temperature of surroundings than the water. So the concept of latent heat is to be discussed here. Is that clear? The next is, what is latent heat of fusion? So everybody understood here latent heat of fusion. I just gave the definition of latent heat of fusions here also. Give 2 reasons to justify. Water at temperature is liquid and water iron alumina is solid. Exactly. So this concerning of temperature, what is the average temperature of your room when you are studying? You will speak sir 35, 34, 30, 40, some so and so on. Okay. So is your like water, the water that you are just holding in hand in the tumbler, right? When you drink water, you think just in summer it is it in the vapor state or liquid solid state? Obviously it is in liquid state. Means why? Because if you will give more heat to water, then it will convert into vapor. So we can speak here anything else is liquid. anything else is liquid. We'll take the heat from the water, it turns into the ice. So your room temperature, the heat efficient for your room temperature, is that clear? The heat efficiency, we can speak here, the heat is sufficient to make your temperature of your room, clear? So what we can understand here, so why the water is liquid, why liquid is not solid, why liquid is not vapor? So we can speak here, liquid is also found, water is also found in the ice state, but its temperature must low here. So your room temperature is melting point, your room temperature is more than the melting point. So obviously it is in the liquid state. So we'll write down the melting point of ice, the melting point of water is less than that of the room temperature. So it is found in the, and again boiling point is less, boiling point is more than that of room temperature, that is, it is not in the vapor state. The two concepts are here that you can write up. Okay. Second, Almira is solid. Why? Because its melting point is more than that of the room temperature, so it's not get melted. What does more severe burns, boiling water or steam? I explained this. Steam will give more severe burning. Why? Because it has more heat than the boiling water. What are the factors affecting the rate of evaporation? You have written well this. This is the mistake that you just not being taught the little bit. So your test performance could be below. Okay. So I think you would have written here. If you are not written, then please write this. What the first step? Surface phenomena, surface area, humidity, temperatures, and nature of liquid. Okay. And wind speed also. Define the term sublimation. What do you understand by the term sublimation? Sublimation means conversion of solid into vapor directly. It's called the process of sublimation. I think you would have seen some people keep the bar of O'Donnell and bar of fragranced bar. Okay, this is available in the market by some name like O'Donnell, and the other liquid also is found there. But I'm just talking about the O'Donnell. When keep this Dambargoli also the people use for the preventions of rotting process or preventions of developing or growing the insects in the grains and cereals. Clear? So, but after 4 months, 6 months, 1 year later, we see just this vaporize, they just appear in the cereals or grains. Just no more they found there. Okay, even in bathroom or after some days, this vaporized and evaporate this. It make a fragrance environment inside the bathroom, but this is in solid state, but it smelt out in the vapor state. Okay, why this happens? This is the process of sublimation. So we can speak here whatever the material, camphor also you had seen here this. Okay, so the process of sublimation, conversion of liquid, conversion of solid directly into vapor. Okay, this is called process of sublimation. With the help of activity, describe this. So activities to be done here for the sublimation, the process. So I explain you in the study material that you have to do this. Okay, where is this? Please tell me. The study material. Where is the study material? Please tell me. Okay, the study material is there. Sublimation, the process sublimation. Where is this? Yeah, yes, this is process converting solid into vapor without coming into the liquid state. The substance is called sublime. Example: petrol, camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride, naphthalene ball. This types of experiment is to be done. Okay, you will take a iodine and wire gauge is there. Okay, activity is there before you. This is the important questions being asked in generally asked in examination. Okay, is that clear? Right now, here the steps are here written, and please read thoroughly, and you will just get it very simply. This is that clear, guys? So along with this, I expect your performance must be very good in the next test. Is that clear, guys? Tomorrow we'll just study about the first chapter of the biology. Is that clear, guys? Thank you very much, and I stay.